Hello, today we are here to talk to you about the RACER Verano Burgundy, made from super soft cowhide. It features a perforated function here, which means it is perfect for summer riding. It features knuckle protection here, which helps it meet its CE approval, and including a scaphoid pad here to protect your scaphoid. Now obviously the gloves are quite light, but one thing I will say about these gloves is if you look at the gloves here and then want to go look at them on the website, you may think they're a little pink. The truth is they are actually this rather fetching burgundy colour and not the colour of chewed bubblegum. Obviously, like most gloves, they have a wrist enclosure here, so pop it on like so, pull it closed, and the one thing that immediately is obvious is just how soft they are. I mean, these could actually be driving gloves. They are wonderfully soft. There's lots of movement. You would not have to spend a lot of time breaking these in because they're literally broken in out of the bag. Size-wise, for women, it comes from small to extra large, she says. Okay, I'm going to do that again. Size-wise, the ladies' gloves comes in small to extra large, while the men's comes in small to 3XL. Now, one thing you do need to know about these really soft gloves, they're amazing, is they come with a 3-year warranty. So there's peace of mind there for you. And if you want to know more about this glove and see how shockingly bubblegum pink it looks on the internet for whatever reason, pop to bikerheadz.co.uk for more information.